Is that your bed? Or is that my bed? You just don't care. Seedling update. You can hear chewing, it's Jenny, not me. So here are the, what was that again? Cosmos coming up, and then more and more sunflowers. Can you see them? There. Look at all those at the back. Nothing in that one yet, that's echinacea. That is beetroot at the back there. There's only one little poking up. There's something coming up, can you see? Just there. And that is cauliflower. And nothing on that one yet. That's, hang on, I haven't got my glasses on. What does that say? Broccoli. No broccoli yet. And then down here, these Brussels sprouts. And then these ones were the ones that were sown the latest, and there's nothing come up just there yet. But look at that. Over there, there's a few sprouting there, and that is mixed spiced leaves. Do you want to go for a walk? Do you want to go for a walk, Jenny? No response. There you go. Good morning. It's Saturday, the 2nd of April 2022, and it is gloriously sunny again. Let's hope it brings the warmth with it. It's a beautiful day. I've taken Jenny out. The birds, oh my word, they were making so much noise. And yet, I could barely see any. I spotted a great tit and some finches. And then the bigger birds, you know, like blackbirds and magpies and pigeons and stuff. But the little ones that are making all the noise, where are they? They're all in hiding, but they make such a noise. What have I got to do today? Working my way through that jewellery, getting it photographed and listed, etc. And hopefully taking some money. So I have gone with Thai lime and mango wax melts for the shop today. See what that's like. I don't know if I've tried that one before, so it'll be interesting to see. I tend to use the lemongrass and ginger one quite a lot because it fills the space of the shop quite well. What was the other thing? Oh yeah, I got a message from an old friend that I went to school with this morning. She'd been listening to the radio and somebody had phoned it in to say their dog sings along to Ness and Dorma, and it reminded her of when we were kids. My dog, Ben. He was like he was a cross between a Springer Spaniel and a Pointer, but he looked like a brown Labrador. And he would sing along to Pia Jesu. Can you remember that? Well, I say sing. He'd howl, the poor dog. Well, my mum thought it was hilarious. She kept playing it over and over again. Earrings have arrived. Look, made from bike inner tubes. Should we see what they're like? I love that it's all paper. So you've got paper and then this, look, got a little thank you sticker. Aren't they lovely? Look, so they look like lily leaves or lily flowers or whatever. They've been painted with a silver paint. And they're so light. I love light earrings. Love them. What do you think? I think they're cool. Totally recycled. Brilliant. Love them. So I just looked back at my Etsy and it was Kirsty Dougal Art, if you're interested. It's about, I don't know, lost track of time. 12:30. And I've been quite busy, so that's good. The shop smells amazing. I would definitely recommend Thai lime and mango wag smells. It smells really good. Just had a bit of cheese on toast, and now I've got some apple and grapes and a cup of tea. And I'm listing some of that jewellery onto my website and picking out a few bits to put on Etsy as well. So that's keeping me very busy. What are you up to this weekend? I would imagine we'll go to a car boot tomorrow. 1 or 2. I think there might be 2, but I don't know whether I've got the energy for 2. Getting old, you know. And what else? Oh, we've got an appointment with solicitor to sign our wills. And I think that's about it. Maybe a trip down to allotment. Funky earrings. I'm trying to watch Jack's vlog in between customers. And I'm also photographing that jewellery. I've always found jewellery, necklaces quite difficult to photograph, but I've got this hand thing and I'm using that to take the photographs, and I think they look all right. What do you think? I'll put a few snippets in. Sitting at my little desk down here, working away, trying to start getting through that jewellery, listing it onto my website. I listed a couple of things onto Etsy. I'm trying to be selective about what I put on there, and then sharing to Pinterest and that. Anyway, I've been sat for quite a while. Oh my god, I'm so cold to the bone. My nose is numb. My fingers are hurting. What's going on? We had all that sunshine and hot weather not long ago. Anyhow, I'm having a break from listing now. My eyes are tired. I'm going to check what car boots are on tomorrow because I'm not quite sure, and plan my weekend. I'm going to round off just because I am, because it's the weekend soon and I'm going to be locking up and getting on with other things. So take care, stay safe, give us a thumbs up, and I'll see you soon.